Hi, I'm Brian with ApplianceVideo.com. Today we're going to take a look at the user interface on this Electrolux Perfect Steam Dryer. Stop! Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage. A faulty user interface on this Electrolux dryer would result in error codes 91, 92, 9C, or 9E. The symptoms could be no start, buttons unresponsive, or the user interface is not lighting up. To begin this repair,
click on the link below to view this repair video. ApplianceVideo.com guides you step by step, giving you the confidence to avoid recalls and callbacks, also saving time on repairs. Whether you're up against an uncommon repair or the latest appliance on the market, our videos have been created with you in mind. Our growing library of videos have been produced using our factory-certified technicians who have extensive infield experience over the past 30 years. ApplianceVideo.com provides high-quality repair videos that anyone can follow, regardless of their skill level. We are here to help. Click on the link below to view this repair video and let us help you do it right the first time.